So right now I am using a tap to clean the threads. Now these are already threaded 3/8 by 16 threads per inch. So, but I am using the tap and some penetrating oil. To clean the threads. Now the trick is to go slowly, and you definitely do not want to force this at all. There's a little bit of resistance because of the dirt, but if you're using the right tap, so you can see on here a little bit of dirt. That was all in the threads, and the tap cleans those threads so that you can put the nut in and you don't have to worry about any dirt. It helps you be able to get the nut in very easy and torque it down to the right setting. So now we're going to clean off our tap and then do the next one. So, you spray the penetrating oil into the hole, and then you feed in your tap again. You are going very slowly, and you definitely don't want this cross-threaded at all. It should go in with no resistance, and then you slowly keep it going. Now, when you do encounter a little bit of resistance like that, you can go back and forth and spray in more of your penetrating oil. And you're working whatever dirt or grime or grease or whatever is in your threads and getting it out. Now you want to make sure you go all the way through to the end with the tap. So you can see how much easier that becomes once you get all of the gunk out. Then we're going to clean off our tap and repeat the process with all of our exhaust manifold studs and these two, well, where our exhaust manifold studs go, and these two things here where the bracket goes that holds fuel lines and stuff. Then we're going to flip it over and do the same thing with the coolant rail holes. And then we're going to give the rest of this a good clean. Probably should clean the rest of this first. Oh well, I can do the studs twice. Okay, so it was a pretty good day today working on the truck. It was mostly this afternoon from about noon until about 6. The new head arrived, we got it off the truck, we put the old head in the crate got the new head out. I cleaned it off. I ran taps through all of where the studs and bolts go. I need to finish cleaning it tomorrow. I need to grab some more sanding discs for the angle grinder so that I can smooth these out and get the surface rust off of where the exhaust gaskets go. Get that surface all prepped and smooth. Get all the gasket surfaces prepped and smooth on this, on the exhaust, and then we can start putting it all together tomorrow.